Was everyone staring at this little cutie? Well, did you figure out what it is? A cleaner, a fan, a beam projector, or a drop box? Nope, all wrong. This is an ultra mini air purifier that even combats bad smells. Have you ever seen an air purifier this small? Air will blow your mind in 3 ways. First for its design, second for its size, and third for its performance.
It's cute, but what's good about it being small?
Its compact size means convenient for carrying around so you can use it whenever and wherever.
Okay, it's very portable, but so what? Everywhere you go, you need to find a power source to connect to. How annoying.
Actually, PurAir has an internal battery embedded in the device, so you don't need a power cable, just install it anywhere you want with its included magnet. Hi! With just 2.5 hours of charging, you can use it for 20 hours with barely any sound.
Isn't it too small for cleaning?
PurAir has no filter, so you can use it semi-permanently. You just have to wipe it down once every 3 weeks.
Okay, being portable and convenient is good, but will a purifier that small have any real effect?
Despite being this small, PurAir can purify over 250 square feet, and it can even...
What else?
It even gets rid of bad smells. PurAir is designed to use plasma to ionize air particles like an ionizer. It even removes harmful gases and ammonia.
Plasma? How about the harmful ozone?
According to an ozone test conducted in a publicly certified facility, the ozone occurrence rate was 0.008 ppm, which is significantly lower than the FDA's requirement of no more than 0.5. Also, unlike spray deodorants, PurAir doesn't leave any harmful residue, so you can use it safely around your pets as well.
Wouldn't it be a hassle to charge every time?
Charging is easy with the 6.5-foot long cable that's included. With convenient and portable PurAir, you'll have a method for air purification and deodorization whenever and wherever.